You are now watching Doorbell News.
Tacoma, Washington. A female porch pirate is seen going through someone's mail. Looks like an accident almost happened. The homeowner gets a notification on his Ring app.
Hello? Hello, can I help you?
No, just here for a friend. Oh, are you serious?
Oh yeah? You got a friend? Get lost. Lakewood, Washington. Yeah, we're gonna spend a little time in Washington today. A man is seen walking up to someone's house at nighttime. He throws a rock through the window and runs off. Yeah, we got you on camera. Scottsdale,
Okay.
Arizona.
Please tell me this is the right house. Is this the woman? I'm looking for an Airbnb, and I was told that this is an Airbnb. I'm so sorry, by the way. This is the wrong house. But I'm so sorry. But
Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Look at this tweaker. He got that uncontrollable bottom jaw. He just grabs someone's package. And he starts opening it up right on the spot. He doesn't even waste any time. Look at that jaw. Yeah. Tacoma, Washington. A lot of female porch pirates out there in Tacoma. This lady's seen grabbing a couple packages and creeping off. A truck is seen ramming into a van, backing up, and then driving off with no regard. Tacoma, Washington. Another female porch pirate is trying to get inside of someone's home. Yeah, always remember to keep those doors locked. There's people like her out there trying to test your doors and wiggle the knobs. Yeah, we locked it. Get lost.
Watch out, she's underage. DJ's underage, don't have babies with her.
Hey,
She's underage, watch out, guys.
what's this lady's problem?
DJ's underage, she shouldn't be having babies with my kid. What? DJ's underage.
Oh, you stole stuff from the car.
No, it's blue way over there, it's blue.
You come outside wondering what's that dent on your car. Now you know. Tacoma, Washington. Another female porch pirate is seen trying to get inside of someone's home. Get lost. Tacoma, Washington. This guy is seen creeping in someone's backyard, but the homeowner comes outside and catches him in the act. That's why you need those cameras in your backyard. Gotta make sure those creeps ain't creeping around on your property. Get lost.
Somebody's in our yard.
Tacoma, Washington. Another female porch pirate is seen stealing some solar lights off of somebody's front porch. Looks like she has some type of cheetah print backpack on or something. Yeah, can't even leave solar lights outside anymore. Get lost. Tacoma, Washington. Apparently, someone stole this U-Haul truck, and it looks like they don't know how to drive at all. They're just going around tearing everybody's stuff up. I mean, at least know how to drive if you're gonna hop in a stolen truck. Tacoma, Washington. Lots and lots of female porch pirates in Tacoma. Here's another one just fiddling on someone's porch, moving stuff around, throwing stuff in the cooler. Looks like she has some type of baby rocker. Get lost. Brooklyn, New York. A mail thief is seen with a blue sack collecting mail. He has a screwdriver and he pops the apartment building mailbox open. That's why you gotta be careful sending that cash in the mail. Tacoma, Washington. Yet another female porch pirate is seen taking something from someone's porch and running off. Get lost. Tacoma, Washington. Another one. Tacoma, Washington. Can't even have pride flags anymore. Get lost. Toledo, Ohio. Looks like someone kicked the door and ran off. Los Angeles, California. San Francisco, California. A burglar is seen leaving someone's home. The alarm apparently scared him off. Tacoma, Washington. A porch pirate is seen doing a little creepy move. He sits down and acts like he's just chilling. Then he goes for a nice sized box and throws it in his black plastic bag. His garbage bag. Yeah. Someone needs to put you in that garbage bag. Takes another package, and he creeps off. Get lost. Brooklyn, New York. This is why you need a cam masker. The burglar automatically sees the Ring camera and turns it around. Probably could have got a better look at his face if you had the camera concealed. Another one bites the dust. Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.